Alright, so picture this. You're deep into your favorite show, popcorn in hand, and suddenly, the Wi-Fi starts buffering. That dreaded spinning wheel of death. If you've been there, you know the pain. Now if you've spent any time online lately, you've probably seen that viral post flying around. Just slap some aluminum foil behind your Wi-Fi router and boom, faster speeds, stronger signal, problem solved, thank me later. It sounds almost too easy, right? I had to try it for myself. So, what's the deal with this hack? According to the internet, you grab a piece of foil, mold it behind your router, and suddenly those dead zones in your house disappear. Some folks on X, yeah, that's what Twitter's called now, are swearing they've finally got Wi-Fi in rooms that were black holes before. Other people are, well, a bit more skeptical. Let's break down the science for a second. Wi-Fi signals are just electromagnetic waves shooting out from your router's antennas in pretty much all directions. The basic idea with the foil is to reflect the signal, kind of like how a satellite dish works. Instead of wasting energy sending signal into the wall or out the back of your house, the foil bounces it forward, concentrating it where you actually need it. Sounds smart, right? Well, it's not just urban legend. Scientists at Dartmouth and Columbia actually tested this back in 2017. They found you could use foil to create what they called virtual walls, channeling Wi-Fi exactly where you want it. And with custom-shaped 3D printed reflectors, they managed to boost signals by more than 50% in certain areas. Pretty wild, but here's the catch. When you focus the Wi-Fi in one direction, you're pulling it away from everywhere else. Their study showed signal dropped by over 60% in the areas you weren't targeting, so yeah, you might get blazing speeds in your living room, but your bedroom could turn into a Wi-Fi desert. And here's another thing, the exact shape and placement of the foil matters. A lot. Those viral posts just tell you to slap a sheet behind your router, but the scientists used algorithms and 3D printers to get it just right. If you get sloppy with the foil, you might actually make things worse. Some users online said their connection tanked after trying this. So, what's my verdict? The Wi-Fi foil hack isn't total nonsense, there's real science behind it. But unless you're ready to experiment with shapes and sacrifice coverage in some rooms, it's probably not the magical fix the internet claims. If you're feeling adventurous, give it a shot, just don't expect miracles. And maybe keep your router looking less like it's prepping for an alien invasion. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to support the channel by checking out our official store. Your support helps us keep going and bring you even more great content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.